Guba.
Yo.
Yeah, I even answer to your brother. Yeah, say I know you.
But I told me what they call me. I look at where I'm going to go into something.
Welcome again, peeps. It's your boy Cjay, aka the official DJ Joe. Right now, people, me say me have an epic prank. You see me? You don't know what I call random people, random girls, and random men too. You see me? And tell them say yo one bag of thing. You see me? Right now, people, me I tell them say yo, you never see this prank before because right now we change the gear. You see me? So right now, people, the first person I call is a girl. You see me? Alright. So I'm gonna call her right now and see what going on and thing and tell her say yo, me just get the number and one bag of thing, you see me? Alright, me just there, you know. Yeah, Ava. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
What going? Sound like you're busy, man.
The phone never called and I didn't ready.
Alright, so I'll call her back then. Alright, I'll call her back, you know, people. She called me before I go and she said her phone I want to upgrade something. I'll call her back now, you see me? Yo, I can get the picking of dog. Alright.
Hello?
Yeah. So I'm there tell some I'll call it to you, man.
No?
You remember all this?
The vibe to like double.
Huh?
And my echo like with our speaker.
Yeah, so if you remember all this.
Probably not me not speaking him.
And Javon this one.
With this the double.
Javon. Remember you give me a number yesterday, man? What are this number you give me? Now you name Ava. Now you name Ava Dan. No, it's not. It's not a prank. Java.
As we are the government said, number. So, yeah, my name Ava, but it's come hard, I try.
But me tell her, say I tell them I'll call her. So I don't know how you make you think, see, so.
I'm not going to know.
Last week you give me, not yesterday, last week. I forgot last week. You give me a number.
Here.
So me have your number then.
But you asked me that, you're supposed to give me a phone because I different number you call.
Huh?
A different number you call, it must be me phone ID.
Different number. That means you know who this then.
Your voice so familiar, so in a economic background, like something.
A Bluetooth speaker box. If my voice sound familiar, who is?
Driver.
Jevo? Who?
Alright, but I'm just saying the phone.
Jevo?
It's J-A-T.
My name is not Jevo. What is my name?
Hello. Hi.
Huh?
Bye.
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 Have a one prank.
No.
You know my voice already.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, Likkle. Yo. Boy. Yo. Boy, how are you, boy? Yeah, go on the thing, brother. You know, say I grow on the thing. You know, say I grow on the thing. You hear me? Me say I grow on the thing. Me say I grow on the thing, brother. No go by this. No go by this.
Yeah, man.
Me say I grow on the thing and make sure so I get the thing by 1 o'clock tomorrow. You hear that?
Wow.
Brother.
Always.
Me say, make sure so I get the thing by 1 o'clock tomorrow. You hear that? Come like you know hear me I say, you know. You don't know how this one?
No.
I Chris this one.
I don't know this.
Me say I Chris this.
Sorry.
Brother, now go run the thing, man, and stop ask away, man. And bring the thing come.
But we don't know what kind of thing you're talking about.
What the bumbo clock do a boy, man. Dog, stop go run the thing, man. The man them get thing for all you say you sort out the thing and murders who forget murder and bring the thing forward.
No, man, depends on I don't know this, man.
No go,
I don't number.
no go by this.
No.
So why you change yourself now? Are you telling me say
number,
you?
man. Sorry. I don't number.
Brother, just bring him a she come, man.
No, I don't number coffee.
Dog, we don't have to circle, you know, brother.
No, I Kennedy's I don't number.
Oh, this?
Kennedy.
Kennedy.
Yeah.
Lava.
I don't number, man.
No let me this one.
Eh?
No let me
No.
Brother. Kennedy. Stop doing the thing, brother.
But we don't know how to start talking to me.
Brother. Me not tell you say I Chris this man.
Sorry.
Oh, there man. Brother, I come for everywhere, man.
I don't understand how it is.
Go back.
So,
Yeah, I even answer to you, brother. Yeah, say I know you.
but I told me what they call me. I look at where I'm going to go into something.
Yo. Dog, you're growing the thing, dog. So you sort out the thing where you have to sort out.
I don't understand no more about it.
Yes.
I little boy, I don't know about it.
So you sort out the thing where you have to sort out what you say you sort out.
Over here.
Huh?
Over here.
You don't say so man a violate you over Twitch side, man.
Oh, you know, OJ.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, OJ, I don't know, man.
Oh, no good, I know.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Glad to know that.
Yeah, good, man.
Yeah, alright, sir. Just
So,
make sure.
never done no fight on anything there, isn't it?
Oh.
Just,
Just remember to bring a thing come next week, you see?
Yeah.
Aye. But one thing, this is a prank still.
Oh?
This is a prank. And this is not rotating either.
I don't know what you said.
This is a prank, bro, God. Bless up yourself. Just go watch it for DJ Joe TV for YouTube. You see me?
Alright.
Yeah, you hear me? Hey, me I wonder when you can thing coming, brother. I Chris this. Yeah, man. No shoppy this one. Hey, so you have to tell me say I wrong number this. You don't tell me say you don't tell my nigga them say you sort out a thing and fall back with the thing, man. No barry tool, man. You don't must know which tool me I talk. A phone I want me talk them things over, brother. Hey, so I wonder when you can, because I have to come back in by next week, you know. Yo. Yo, Chris, this brother. Chris, this, I wonder when you can think come, because you have to come in by next week, you know, bro, God. You see me? Eh? Bro, God, we no rank, man. You know what badness set, man. So I wonder, you sort out the thing where you sort out, man. Yo. You sort out the thing where you not sort out. So when you bring back the two come? Yo. Make sure say you give man them a two if you can by next week, you know, bro, God. You see me? We don't have to show badness, you see?
You tell man say no one will think bad man. Man wait bad man.
You hear me I say? Alright, the big man are waiting, dog.
Yo, tell man if go have to come out the feet thing, dog. Cause brother, I want it now, brother.
No man they say they want the thing, bro. So if you're done with it, if you do a crime already, just bring in the thing, you see? Ah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you know me.
Yeah, man, in there, man. How old this again?
I carry on.
You know, so a boy this gone hospital though.
Eh?
We just can't go to hospital.
So what do you?
We don't know. We don't know. We just see like in faint.
Alright.
Yeah. And we don't know what happened to him.
So, you're funny.
Yeah?
You're Muslim.
Yeah?
You're Muslim.
Yeah, uncle. You don't come from planet Earth.
Okay,
Huh?
what is that name?
Chris, when you man?
Alright, me go to hospital.
Yeah?
Alright, me go to hospital.
This is a prank. This is a prank.
How old is your?
This is a prank. You called the wrong number.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Bless up.
Somebody in the hospital.
I'm violating man and get to a brother. A bus up here in a boy. Things I can violate man out of watch it on. You know answer? You know answer? Hey boy. Yo. You hear me I say? Yeah, you hear me I say? Brother, you hear me I say now? We got bus up here right now we are forward. You hear that? Better try run away now boy. Can't stay here so and think you get away after you violate the nigga them, you know. That me I tell you, you know. You hear me I say?
I go man so far for you, go and talk up your mouth to hear you.
Hey boy Kirk, can you fuck up the prank for that? Boy Kirk, fuck up the prank.
Everybody just know my voice.
Brother, hey man would have to know your voice, dog. Pepper Matty, go on. Then I go and put some prank, you see me?
Oh my god! You know what I do? Keep this in my hand.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself, dog. A prank still.
Go hear this dog. Like myself.